looking at that ocean, the magical shades of blue extending endlessly, the ferocious waves rolling back and forth, and the green mountains rising up, rushing towards the sky. It feels like I am in a dream. There's a reason Bali is on the bucket list of countless people all across the world. From dense forests to vibrant cities, majestic waterfalls to breathtaking beaches, lush green rice fields to beautifully carved ancient temples, Bali has it all. Black beaches, cliff tops, volcanoes, coral reefs, mountains. Last few weeks in this paradise island have been absolutely mesmerizing and spellbinding. And after traveling around this magnificent island, I'm here with a series of vlogs sharing the most beautiful moments of my journey. Hopefully, you will enjoy as much as I have during this whole process. See you soon with another vlog. Until then, thank you for sharing your time with me.